In this video, I'm going to show you how to safely jack up this Dodge Grand Caravan. You are going to need some form of jack, like a hydraulic jack that I have here, and jack stand. Make sure you're on a level surface. Chalk up the tires. All right, I'm going under the driver's side of the vehicle, and you can see on the subframe, there is this reinforced part of the subframe that you can lift off of right here. This is on the driver's side and the passenger side. So that's a good point. If your vehicle does not have that, anywhere on this, double layered reinforced part of the subframe is a great place to put your jack. Make sure you don't pinch lines like this so nothing snaps. Here's an example of lifting the car from the jack on this jack point. Once you get your vehicle elevated, you always want to put a jack stand as a backup. You never want to put your life in the hands of a single point of failure like a hydraulic jack, because these things do fail. It's possible, and you don't want to bet your life on it. Positioning the jack stand on the subframe right here, I like to do it on reinforced sections. You can see there's multiple layers. Again, make sure there's no obstructions, no lines in between where the vehicle is going to be sitting. Position it so that the weight will be evenly distributed on the jack stand. And then if you have a jack like mine, you have to twist this counterclockwise and then prime that jack again so that you have weight on the jack stand and on the jack. So now you have 2 points. And that is how you jack up a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. Hope that video was helpful for you. Good luck on your project.